Today for the new Realme 9 Pro, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store application, and here in the search bar enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we'll have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application installing on your device. After that, just open the app, click here Enable in Settings, and near the green Apple keyboard click once on the switcher and tap to activate. Now just go back and click to the switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the English United States keyboard, and that's finished, as can you see. And now we'll go somewhere, for example into the Google search, and here you can see the look of our new device keyboard, the iPhone 1, and you can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.